What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I must be showing y'all how to make a high quality song on BandLab Part 2, man. Now, I'm finna just, do my little series. I'm finna just be recording songs live. Y'all could just peep game from it. But before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, man. It means a lot, and it's gonna help your boy go a long way, man. But hey, as y'all can see, we got a little, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I was just geeking on this track, but got my little ad-libs, my little intro. I had, said some shit. Y'all gonna hear it, but y'all probably already heard it in the intro. But yeah, and I got my little, my little bars. Now keep in mind that I'm punching in off the dome. I ain't writing nothing down, so I'm finna be showing y'all live how I get down, man. So hey, let's get into it. As y'all can see, I haven't touched anything, but I probably should, but it's too late now. But I didn't put no presets on my vocals, and I did not touch the master gain. I just, I kind of just made up my own like routine. And what I do is I don't really put the preset on. Yes, it sounds nicer, but it may like throw off the mixing in the end. So I kind of just, just put the raw vocals on there. But yeah, man, I'm finna just punch in right quick. As y'all can hear, man, I got my little hook. Got my little hook going, man. So yeah, we just finna get into it. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So in the intro, everything's already mixed and did, but this is the raw and uncut. So I'm gonna let y'all hear that right quick. And yeah, but I already put the ad-lib preset on my intro. But yeah, let's get into it, man.
This motherfucker's slime.
They gon' try to count you out when you ballin', man. When you out here doing your big one, when you out here going stupid, man. When you out here stepping on next, they gon' try to count you out, man. So make sure you keeping your plays on hush, man, and keep running it up. Yeah, real ism. Facts. Hey, it ain't no love in these streets, shit overrated. I would've put you on a play, but you be hating. Making plays after plays, it ain't no hoping I'ma make it. I know that I'ma make it. You just can't rush greatness. So from this point on, I'm finna be just punching in and shit, so y'all check me out, man. You got you a blunt, feel me? Blunt, popcorn, chips, feel me? It's a movie, let's get it. Straight off the dome with it. We're from taking the bus to having fresh whips. We're from taking the bus to having fresh whips. Gotta keep chop cause it get wicked in the mosh pit. In the bus to having fresh whips. Gotta keep chop cause it get wicked in the mosh pit. And you can stop your goals, but shit. You can stop your goals, but shit, that's you. You can stop your goals, but you. And you can stop your goals, but you can stop your goals, but shit that's you. It ain't gonna stop me. Gotta keep chop cause it get wicked in the mosh pit. And you can stop your goals, but shit that's you. It ain't gonna stop me. It get wicked in the mosh pit. And you can stop your goals, but shit that's you. It ain't gonna stop me. It seem like every move a nigga make, they wanna copy. Told little baby hit her knees and get sloppy. Bitch, I'm going so get sloppy. I'm hearing my flowing niggas songs, but they not me. Hit her knees and get sloppy. Hearing my song, hearing my flow sloppy. Hearing my flow up in they songs, but they is not me. It's not me. It's not me. Hearing my flow up in they songs, but they is not me. That's an awful lot of net talking Cuddy, that is not beef. They songs, but they is not. That's an awful lot of net talking Cuddy, that is not beef. I'm straight to it. I get straight to it. I get straight to it. I get straight to it like a sip of black coffee. An awful lot of net talking Cuddy, that is not beef. I get straight to it like a sip of black coffee. Off the dome, bruh. I'm already knowing people gonna be in the comments like, bruh, he write it, bro. He wrote something. He wrote it down, bruh. Nah, off the dome. All right, y'all. So now that we're done with that, like I'm on some professional stuff right now. So I feel like I could definitely keep going, but what I'm finna do is I'm finna just start mixing it up right now, and then Yeah, so before I put the presets on there, you feel me, I just do my little mixing. So here's the process I'm doing right now. I'm just deleting all the extra noise that don't need to be there. I might have to play the song back a couple times to really get it all out. I have to do this before I copy the hook and place it back part where I want to put the hook back on, because if I don't, then I gotta do more work and take out, you know, extra noise. So yeah, when you being lazy making music, it's gonna it's gonna catch up with you. So you might as well just take care of everything you need to take care of right then and there, or it's gonna, yeah. All right, y'all. So it sounds pretty clean to me. So I'm finna just, you know, get to mixing it up. So right here, I'm just, you know, just putting my sauce on there. I just kind of, you know, cut the beat off a little bit, then put a little bit back on there, and then reversed it. Taking the bus to having fresh. Now I'm finna copy it over. So let me see where I want the hook to end. You just can't rush greatness. Taking the bus to having can't rush greatness. So I making play. Probably right there. And then repeat it. Boom. Bow. And then I gotta. This is the part where I gotta make it get back into the sound back. Get back into the rhythm. You feel me? Yeah. Fun with this shit, cause I know how I go. Ain't no love in I go. Ain't no love in these street shit overrated. Hey, that was easy. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it'd be so difficult, but yeah, you usually, that's how simple it be. You just gotta slide it over. Fun with this shit, cause I know how I go. Ain't no love in these street shit overrated. I would've put you on a play. Now, since it sounds a little, you know, I gotta kind of spice it up a little bit. We on BandLab, so no shade to BandLab, but go. And I'm using the iPhone microphone, so it's going, you know, I gotta throw my little go. Ain't no love, know how I go. Ain't no how I go. Ain't no. I'm gonna probably just slide that over, paste it. You know what I'm saying? Go. Ain't no love, you know how I go. Turn that gain down a little bit. How I go. Ain't no love, go. Turn that down just a little bit, and then there you go. Boom. I go. Ain't no love in these street shit overrated. I would've put you on a play, but you be hating. All right, now here's the magic. Here's when the magic happens, y'all. So I'm finna put a preset on there. Hopefully it don't sound too bad. I'm gonna turn these down a little bit. So like at 3.0, boom. All right, oh, whatever. Not whatever, but it just be tripping. All right, so I'm gonna put a preset on there. Let's see how this one hitting. All right. Ain't no love in these street shit overrated. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that sound hard. I ain't gonna throw a little fader. All right, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that sound hard. That sound hard. Hey man, if y'all need the presets, I got preset packages for $10, man. Tap in, and then like will really make them like really worth paying for. Cause y'all like, you know, who buying BandLab presets? But unless you're really on BandLab, bro, I mix them to your vocals. I'm not just sending them to you. I'm, you know, hold on. I'ma make it. You just can't rush greatness. But like, yeah, you feel me? And then what I'm doing the fade for, I'm doing the fade to just make it sound a little smoother, a little more natural. You feel me? So it won't sound like so like scratchy. Now this is what kind of makes your song. This touches the song up. If you feel me, put the fade on, it's gonna sound a little bit more better. It's just the process of just doing it. Man, run this video up to 1,000 likes if y'all want the full song, man. I'm gonna drop this song at 1,000 likes. I'm gonna need y'all to turn it up, man. And, yeah. Hear my flow up in they songs, but they is not. That's gonna be the end of the video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this, and make sure y'all stay tuned for part 3. I'm finna be going back to back with this. I'm starting a little series, man. But make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. We on the road to 100,000 subscribers, man. We currently at 26K. I appreciate all my supporters, everybody who, you feel me, showing support. and the whole nine, man. I you feel me? I appreciate y'all. And hell yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.